Is your Vizio Smart TV remote not working, not responding, or only working sometimes? In this video, I'll show you the main fixes step by step. Step 1. Check the batteries. First, remove the batteries from the remote and replace them with a fresh pair. Make sure the positive and negative ends are placed correctly. Weak batteries can make the remote stop working, respond slowly, or only work from a short distance. After replacing the batteries, point the remote directly at the TV and test the power, volume, and menu buttons. Step 2. Reset the remote. If new batteries do not fix it, remove the batteries again and press every button on the remote one by one. Vizio recommends this step because a stuck button can stop the remote from working properly. After pressing all the buttons, put the batteries back in and test the remote again. Step 3. Power cycle the TV. Unplug your Vizio TV from the power outlet and wait for about 1 minute. If your TV has a physical power button, press and hold it for around 10 to 15 seconds while the TV is unplugged. Then plug the TV back in and turn it on. This can clear temporary glitches that may stop the TV from responding to the remote. Step 4. Check the TV sensor. Make sure nothing is blocking the front of the TV. Most standard Vizio remotes need a clear path to the TV sensor. Move soundbars, decorations, consoles, or anything sitting in front of the TV. Also, clean the front of the remote and the TV sensor area with a soft cloth. Then try the remote again from close range. Step 5. Test the remote signal. Open the camera app on your phone and point the front of the remote at the camera. Press any button on the remote and look for a flashing light on your phone screen. If you see a light, the remote is sending a signal. If you do not see any light after trying new batteries, the remote may be damaged. Try the front camera too, because some phone cameras block infrared light. Step 6. Use the TV buttons. Try using the physical buttons on your Vizio TV. These buttons are usually on the back, side, or bottom edge of the TV. If the TV buttons work, the issue is likely with the remote. If the TV buttons also do not work, the TV may have a power, software, or hardware issue. Step 7. Use the Vizio mobile app. You can use the Vizio mobile app as a temporary remote. Install the app on your phone, connect your phone to the same Wi-Fi network as the TV, and select your TV from the app. Once paired, you can control volume, inputs, apps, and menu options from your phone. Step 8. Pair the voice remote again. If you have a Vizio voice remote, it may need to be paired again. Hold the input and mute buttons for about 10 seconds until the remote light flashes. Then go to Menu, open All Settings, select System, choose Voice Remote, and select Pair New Remote. Follow the instructions on the TV screen. Step 9. Restart or update the TV. If the remote works but the TV is slow, frozen, or delayed, restart the TV and check for updates. Use the TV buttons or the Vizio mobile app to open the settings menu. A software issue can sometimes make the TV respond slowly or ignore remote commands.